Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to review a range of hair care products that I have been using for quite some time now. So the range of products I have been talking about is the L'Oreal Professional Serie Expert Gold Quinoa and Protein Absolute Repair shampoo, hair mask and serum. So recently I went to a salon and the hair expert told me that I have damaged my hair severely, which I kind of agree because for the last few months it's been a rough time for my hair because I couldn't take care of my hair properly and I could feel the damage that I have done to my hair. So that I went to the salon and the hairstylist there recommended me to use this range of products which they used on my hair as well. So they did a treatment to my hair for the damage and they called it a power mix repair, and my hair felt absolutely lovely and luscious after, like it was like a new hair to me. So I went ahead and ordered this range online, and since then I have been using this range religiously. They told me to use this regularly, especially the hair mask, which actually did the whole action. So first you need to wash your hair with this Serie Expert Gold Quinoa and Protein Absolute Repair shampoo. This is instant reconstructing for damaged hair. This does a really great job of washing your hair, cleaning your scalp and also giving your hair very smooth and luscious feeling. And then what I do is apply the mask to my damp hair. The hair doesn't need to be dripping wet. While applying this, you need to get a very damp hair, which I did by towel drying it. I use this in smaller quantity because it has got wheat protein, which makes it really easy to spread, and it takes little amount to spread onto your hair no matter how long or how thick it is. You are recommended to use this in sections, so make sure you section out your hair before applying this, and the number of sections you do depends on the thickness of your hair. For my hair I needed to do 3 to 4 sections. You start from applying from your mid length of the hair to the tip of your hair, which is expert recommended. You need to keep this mask on your hair for 2 to 3 minutes and then you wash it off. After that my hair looks like this. It's visibly and touchably smooth and very soft, and also I didn't find any knot on my hair. And then I'm applying this hair serum, which is very non-sticky formula, how I like my hair serums to be. It's a very lightweight formula and it doesn't feel sticky on the hands. Also it doesn't make your hair look greasy or oily. It looks absolutely nice on the hair, and after you air dry your hair and style it, it will give it a really nice luscious look. I feel the mask is the star of this range. It has this butter-like formula which spreads across your hair very nicely, giving it a very smooth and shiny look. It immediately restores shine to damaged hair and also gives it a really nice smoothness. The Gold Quinoa and Protein deeply nourishes, strengthens and repairs damaged hair. Now I have been using conditioners for a really long time now, but I now realize that I need something really extra advanced for my damaged hair, which the mask does really nicely. It has a perfect thickness which makes my hair softer and smoother than before, and this mask will also repair the damage I have done to my hair. Make sure you take little at a time because it is a very concentrated formula and a little spreads across the hair very nicely. And also you make sure to use it from your mid length to the tip of your hair, not on the scalp, because it's going to weigh down the hair. So that's about it for this review. I hope you liked this review. These are available online and also in salon. I have bought mine from online. I will leave the link in the description for you to check out. Also all the details about these products will be listed in the description box, so go and check that out. I highly recommend you guys to use this product if you have dry and damaged hair. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, you guys be happy and keep smiling.